I tried throwing away every store-bought soap I owned, and after 30 days using only handmade soaps, my skin completely transformed. The dark spots I thought I'd have forever? Gone. The breakouts I battled for years? Stopped. This one simple switch changed everything for my skin, and I have to show you how. Hello everyone, this is me. No filter, no makeup, just my skin. It's been struggling with dryness, dark spots, and random breakouts. So, I decided to ditch all commercial soaps and try something completely natural. Handmade soaps from Back2Naturalness. I chose this brand because it is owned by a licensed cosmetologist who specializes in skin and hair care, and every product is handmade and authentic. My bestie told me about them, and I decided to give it a shot. I went to Back2Naturalness.com and ordered 3 soaps: the beef tallow face and body soap, the oats, milk and honey soap, and the Castile soap, along with their unscented beef tallow moisturizer. For 30 days, I used these daily, morning and night, and tracked my progress with photos and notes. During the first week or 2, my skin went through a little detox phase. I noticed a few bumps and some dryness at first. It wasn't the natural soap, it was the chemicals coming out of my body. But that didn't last long. The beef tallow soap gave my face a clean, moisturized feel without stripping it. The oats, milk and honey soap calmed my redness, and the Castile soap kept my body clean and soft. The unscented tallow moisturizer sealed everything in, super rich, but not greasy. By week 3, I started to see real changes. My dark spots began fading fast. My texture looked smoother, and the frequent breakouts I used to get just stopped. By day 30, my skin tone was even, my face was soft, and I had a natural glow I hadn't seen in years. I even shared a bar with my mom. She loved the oats, milk and honey soap, and said it left her skin smooth and radiant. Now she's hooked too. So here's my honest take. Pros: deep cleaning without stripping, softer skin, fewer breakouts, dark spots gone, long-lasting moisture, and it's great for sensitive skin. Cons: I have none. Honestly, I love Back2Naturalness products. Therefore, I highly recommend Back2Naturalness handmade soaps if you want healthier, glowing skin. You can get them at Walmart.com, but I recommend going straight to the source, Back2Naturalness.com. Go Back2Naturalness today. You'll be glad you did. Commercial soaps are filled with harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and alcohols that dry and damage the skin. On the other hand, Back2Naturalness handmade soaps, made with natural ingredients like beef tallow, oats, honey, olive oil, and shea butter, truly nourish your skin the way nature intended. My 30-day transformation proved it. My skin is clear, calm, and glowing, and I'm never going back. Order yours today. You will be glad you made the switch to go Back2Naturalness. Comment "natural" if you plan to stop using commercial skincare products on your skin. Thanks for watching.